Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, man. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Early morning, they on the road already. So fast. Morning. So, so this is how the early morning look. 6 o'clock look. You see. Morning. Yeah, so this is all like, the early morning look. Like, but, we're not really busy. People are the people that would maybe about town. I don't remember what. I guess have people like going out places early morning. Oh, by the clock. Oh, yeah. Good morning. Particularly this. Good morning. CIBC. And you have National Commercial Bank, you have the Bill Express, you have Digicel. I'm good. You know, 6:32. Oh, yes, the baby. You know, the person. Yeah, man, it's a KFC there. KFC there. KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Superman Pharmacy. Let's see. So. Jason, I think you. Hey, these are like a step to climb every day, every minute, every second. See if we don't climb them, I kind of step. They say we can't lose it. The, the time is going, so guys, I don't know today is what? Today is January the 26th, 27. My wrong. Correction. Now I check your day. You know, just wake up your style. Oh, it's still 3 minutes sat there in liquid. Burn. So, yeah. Yeah. The village from home. So, wagon peeps. Whatever, right? Yes, I'm almost like reach back home. Yeah. So, almost behind me. I'm tired now. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you in the comment section. I also see you. Remember guys, when I can't leave a comment, you know, and I can't like the video no matter what. So, but I see you when I get my video, them see you no matter what. No care if I get a 1 or a 2. But I did plan for it on a regular basis, you know, see what turn out. That's why I say, they say, you know, if you plan, because when you plan, God always a wife. So things just do come up. Alright, so remember that building there? I'm always try to show them. I guess that side of the friend, fire station there. Yeah. Some lovely banana down there, so lovely banana. You some lovely banana. Lovely. Lovely bananas. Long feet up, I think appetite now. So, my peeps.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. So guys, please come in here. I'm gonna wash up some dishes. Yeah. I'm gonna wash up some dishes.
Wash up some dishes. Yeah. Get my dishes. So I wash the spoon first. Outside, I like wash outside, so that's just my thing. Yeah, so guys, remember, like, share, comment and subscribe up yourself. And if you're new to my channel, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you all to my new subscribers, my new supporters. Yeah, big up on yourself. And I don't know, some of you guys, remember, like up the video, leave a comment please. Shania, leave a comment down below. Just make me know, say, you know, see a time, or you know, big up on yourself. And you know, more want to big up want to big up some subscribers. I want to big up everybody. XO, big up yourself and keep being consistent. Just know me see your XO, and my love how you been you know, respond to me no matter what. So big up yourself, XO. Love and love alone. You don't know how it go. And MNG, Ven, big up yourself, and again Ven. Natural life, big up yourself. Gucci low, big up yourself, you know. All of the silent watchers, subscribers, big up on yourself, can you big up yourself, you know. All of you watching, big up on yourself, you know. All of the silent stuff, I'm not going to have a silent stuff. Big up yourself. Alex, one. So this is my curry chicken back. Curry chicken back. So my curry, my paprika, my all-purpose, my Maggi season, and my onion, my Irish, my sweet pepper, my carrot. Lovely. I'm gonna add a little oil in my pot, not much. As you don't know, I'm gonna put a little of the curry. Alright. Now look both the way against white rice. So make the curry go pot go hot. Alright, so guys, this is it. So this is my curry chicken back. Yeah, my paprika and season, my Maggi, and my this and my that. Pepper, everything. Alright, look what. So, yeah man guys, big up to all of my subscribers them guys, and leave a comment down below. Yeah. Might not get an out of town video, but guys, remember, when I get cooking video, same way because I am working. So that's it. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to do. Yeah. So this is our leaf. Alright, so this is my, curry chicken back. I look about it with the white rice. Yup. Then pick up a ball for them. Say pepper and bun them to the cars. Me like when curry have been pepper and the masses them, you don't really like curry have been pepper. So like this one. The way it do, I never cover it though. May I come there, me there? Alright, so see what I'm going on. So see there guys. Guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe. And add in look water and something. Alright, so now what's your rice? Alright, so see it? Yeah. Alright, so see that? Alright, so guys, okay, water to the spider, so we add a little bit more water in there to make about the gravy. Alright, so that's how I go on. Alright, here is my rice, my white rice, yes. Alright, so the curry I go and cook. Lock off the rice, white rice don't cook. Yeah. Right, this so yeah. Curry chicken back. So we get the make us walk and we look. So this is my curry. Can you find it? My curry chicken back. So alright, so this is my, food. gonna see what I'm gonna see it. Nice curry. So I just share. You don't know, yeah. Alright, so this is the food. Well presentable. Right, turn off that. Well presentable. Yes. Nice curry chicken back with my onion, my pepper, my sweet pepper. And you know I eat this. So guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe. May I share my daughter one and my son one. May I share my daughter one. So you just get one meat. Alright. This also, you don't really like meat like that. You're not really a meat type of person. Alright, that's on mine. That's my son and my daughter one, so see them there. So guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe. My mother and my sister will live back. Yeah, so I'm out. Watch out for the video. Mother here. I gotta have my dinner. Right, see there? So I gotta get down into the food. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. You see me? I don't know it go still. You know salt is my problem, I really full on salt. So now I'm gonna taste the pepper and I curry. I'm gonna taste some pepper and I curry. But rice, oil filled and rice. And guys, I get more inside video than outside because I work far from home. So go. My best friend, curry chicken back. Me love curry chicken back. Me curry chicken back all for my dinner. Some people not really like chicken back. Me love it. I don't think I like really miss some. I not taste the pepper. But the expect say pepper for hot still. But it's not hot because you know the reason why it's not hot because any you eat it hot. Right here? Any you eat it hot, then could eat it. So look. Okay. My daughter, what is it?
See that? That's not.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna make syrup juice. I fully back because of my syrup. Well, my mix, we can't go work. So that's how it goes. So I guess when we see that video, maybe tomorrow or so, coming out of service, but when I get to the video, see you. Guys, remember to leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like the video or what kind of video you want to do. And big up to my subscribers that watch me. They must know for nice street and call to me. They must say them love how I always cook and thing. And to go and post my content same way. And watch my face no matter what. So guys, big up on yourself. Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell the next friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a love no matter what.